Hey y'all, so today's video is all about my favorite conditioners, deep conditioners, and hair masks. If you haven't checked out my video on shampoos, it will be linked in the description box down below. Be sure to check that out. I have all of my favorites coming up in the next couple of days. Before I get into this video, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle type videos. Also, if you are returning, thank you guys so much. Welcome back. Make sure that you have subscribed just to let YouTube know that I'm creating content that my subscribers enjoy. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. Now that all the business is out of the way, let's go ahead and just hop right into it. Once again, these are in no particular order, and I seem to have more conditioners and masks than I did shampoos. So we're just gonna start with whatever is closest. First up, we have the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner from Alikay Naturals. I just tried this out for the first time and I am obsessed. Like I can't wait to use it again. If you saw the video where I used it, I didn't follow the instructions and I only kept it on for maybe 5 minutes, but the softness and moisture that I got from this mask just that quick was like amazing, and I can't wait to use this again. This might make like staple list, like something I might actually reorder. Next, I have my 𝙿𝚎𝚎 Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I really appreciate this mask. It's very strengthening without it being like overpowering. Like I can use this really quick. Anything that I don't have to get out of the shower and really deep condition with, I can appreciate. So you can, I believe like the first time I tried it, I did sit under the dryer and that's perfectly fine. But yeah, I just really like this when my hair just needs a little strength. When it's been moisturized a little too often, I will definitely grab for this. This one is almost empty actually. So next up, we have the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask from TGIN. And just like the shampoo, I just kind of feel like this is lightweight, but it does the job. My hair doesn't feel weighed down once I use it, but it definitely feels hydrated. I would almost say balancing in a sense, but I just really love the way my hair feels after I use this hair mask. Next, we have the Whoa Deep Conditioning Mask from the 𝙿𝚛𝚘, and the only thing that I really love about this mask is its slip. Like whenever I just feel like I need a good detangling session, I will reach for this. It doesn't do anything as far as like deep conditioning for me, but I really like to slip, and that's why this one made the list. Sweet Pumpkin Spice from Meesh. I know that this is very limited edition, but hopefully she comes back out with this around the holidays because one, I like the scent of it. Two, I love the way my hair feels after it. It has 𝚑𝚘𝚑 properties, which I am absolutely like crazy about. And it's just something about this mask that leaves my hair feeling amazing. You know, like I have so many different products in my stash that like I will reach for this one every once in a while. It's definitely one of my favorites. So we have the Super Fro and Bunu Hair Growth Scalp Defense Hair Intensive Mask from 𝚤𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘. This is actually the only product I really have from 𝚤𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘, and I enjoy it. You know, another one that I feel like it kind of strengthens my hair, not that moisturizing, and it gives you like a little bit of a tingle, which I kind of like. It's spicy and I like that. It has personality. So this one just really sticks out from the others that I have in my collection. So that's how this one made the list, and it works really well on my hair nonetheless. Ooh, another one from 𝙿𝚎𝚎. This is their superfood avocado. Let me just read it. It's the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask, and it does all of that. This one will just zap the moisture right back into your hair. The scent is out of this world. It's so creamy, and Fred just soaks this right on up. I'm on like my second or third one of these at this point because I love this mask. Next, we have the Glory Conditioner, which I I actually used in the Lush video that I did, and this is just very moisturizing. Handmade products, vegan. I love everything about Lush products that I have tried. I can't wait to re-up. But yeah, if you need a moisturizing conditioner very similar to the 𝙵𝚎𝚎𝚑𝚎, this Glory conditioner from Lush is glorious. And then I also have the Power one with y'all. This is more of their protein. It's made with sweet potato and it has biotin. So not only is it going to like strengthen your hair, it encourages hair growth and it smells good. These products are very lightweight. They're not heavy. They don't weigh your hair down, and you can read everything in the ingredients list, which I can appreciate. And it comes with expiration dates. But yeah, Lush is some good stuff in my opinion. Next, I have the Honey Miracle Hair Mask from TGIN. I don't really think I need to explain this. I feel like this one is like a staple in a lot of people's natural hair stash. This is just one that if my hair is just feeling wah, 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 I know I can pick this up, use this, and my hair will come out fine. This is just like a go-to. It is just a staple in the natural hair community, I feel like, and it's like a given. This, I will always have this on standby. This big boy. So this is actually the heavy conditioner from Pattern. I honestly like the intensive a little better. I just picked this one up on accident, but nonetheless, when my hair needs that deep conditioning, especially when I am doing like, especially when I first started using wash and goes, the amount of moisture that this puts in my hair and the way that it could weigh my hair down, I could really appreciate it when I was learning how to do wash and goes. So I definitely have depended on this conditioner a lot in these last few months, in the last 6 to 8 months. So yeah, I know this isn't really a favorite of a lot of people's, but for me and my hair, it definitely hydrates, nourishes, and leaves my hair feeling pretty good. And last but not least, I have the Briogeo Superfoods Mango and Cherry Balancing Conditioner. Now, I haven't used this with other products, but once you use that shampoo, which like strips your hair clean, this does a wonderful job of just putting that moisture back into your hair without it being like a deep conditioning mask. Like, you can use this in the shower and leave it on for 5 minutes, like while you're washing your body, and your hair will still come out moisturized and ready to go. So I just really like this. I love the packaging. I love the fragrance. I really like most Briogeo products that I have tried. So yeah, that's how this one made my favorites list. And there you have it, guys. That is a look at my favorite deep conditioners, and hair masks as of right now. Like I said before, that might change in the winter and I will probably come back and do another video on that. But that is all that I have for you today. Be sure that you come back tomorrow where you will see me talk about my favorite leave-in conditioners and cream stylers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next one.